why play matters. So first of all, as Tom Lowday says, play is a way of us experiencing emotional responses in a safe way. We can experience a real emotion, but in a game or a play setting, and we all understand that there's a level of make-believe there that allows us to experience that emotion with a level of safety. So it's a really important emotional tool for learners to help with self-regulation and understanding of their own feelings. It allows us to be conceptually creative, to cement learning and join dots in creative ways, much as giving ourselves space to be creative. Play has a similar but more social kind of role to play in that same creativity of joining ideas and concepts together. It helps provide a social skill set, so it helps us to fall out and make friends and join groups and collaborate and negotiate and communicate in that social sphere in a way that we need to understand as adults, but we can't just enter into the adult world without having had some experience of that within the safety of play. We get that skill set and can start to refine that. It's fun. We learn best when we're happy, and being happy and playful in the way that we learn is really important in embedding knowledge and our concepts and understanding of ourselves and our experience of learning. And lastly, unstructured play is purely experiential. It has to sit at the heart of constructivism. It's all about your experience and your interaction with the world around you, the community you build and the friendships that you develop. And that absolutely sits at the centre of constructivist learning.